Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look into the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2022. Data from Stack Overflow Developer Survey and Google Trends and average salary of developers who are proficient in these languages were considered while making these conclusions. So without any further ado, let's get started. At number 1, we have JavaScript and Python. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. It conforms to the ECMAScript specification. It's a high-level, dynamically typed, object-oriented language. It's used for enhancing the functionality of a website. Initially, JavaScript was used for client-side validation and other simple stuffs to be done on the front end, supporting HTML and CSS. Whereas nowadays, JavaScript is used both in the front and back end. There are various front-end frameworks and libraries in JavaScript. For example, Angular, React.js, Vue, Ember, etc. For backend, we have Node.js, which is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside a browser. Next, Express.js is a framework used for building web applications and application programming interfaces or APIs. Next, we have Python. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. It's open source and has a large community of developers across the globe. It's used for building mobile, desktop, and web applications. Frameworks such as Kiwi can be used for building mobile apps. Frameworks such as Django and Flask can be used for building web applications. GUI-based desktop apps can be built using modules such as Kinter and PySimple GUI. Python is also extensively used in data science, machine learning, and deep learning applications. So with that being said, let's move on to the next one. At number 2, we have Typescript. It's a programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It's a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and adds optional static typing to the language. It transcompiles to JavaScript. Angular is a TypeScript-based web application framework. So with that being said, let's move on to the third one, which is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It's used in mobile application development, desktop GUI applications, web-based applications, big data, etc. Next up, at number 4, we have Rust. Rust is a multi-paradigm general-purpose programming language, which is designed for performance and safe concurrency. It's syntactically similar to C++ and is used in making game engines, file systems, browser components, and simulating engines for virtual reality, and also most importantly for building Linux packages and compilers. So with that being said, at number 5, we have Go or Golang. Go is a statically typed compiled programming language designed by Google. Go is syntactically similar to C, but has features such as memory safety, garbage collection, and structural typing. It is also used for writing lightweight microservices and API development. So now that we have covered the top 5 programming languages, we do have some honorable mentions to make too. So we have C++. It is a general-purpose programming language which is used for building operating systems, browsers, libraries, graphics, banking applications, and much more. C#, it is a general-purpose multi-paradigm programming language. It has static typing, strong typing, object-oriented programming discipline. It is majorly used for building traditional Windows client applications, web applications, mobile applications, and Windows Store apps, and also for building enterprise applications and gaming consoles and gaming systems as well. And last but not least, we have PHP. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. It is used in web development. There are many popular PHP frameworks that are used in backend development such as Laravel, Symfony, and Cake PHP. So with that being said, let us wrap up today's session. Thank you so much for watching. Amazing tutorials are lined up, so stay tuned. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.